It's mowing season, and I've got a project. I bought this John Deere LA130 riding mower from Lowe's in 2007, and I think I paid $2,000 for it at that time. So that's 17 years ago. It lasted longer than I ever expected. As you can see, the front tires have dry rotted, and I filled them up the other day, and they lasted about a day and went flat again. So new tires are about $36 a piece, but inner tubes are about $18 for a pair. Last year, I put a new steering gear pinion thingy in here because the wheel was spinning, but the tires weren't moving. And the mower deck broke, so I had my buddy Josh weld me a piece on it, and we're just kind of, like I said, nursing it through each season. I don't want to have to buy another mower to mow a mountain full of rocks and roots and crap. So that's the project of the moment. Inner tubes. Just gonna go around, break the bead. All right. Doesn't have any water in it. Doesn't look too bad. Get this bead broke. There we go. Now I'm just going to cut that off. Pull that out. No valve stem now. Just take your time and work it off. That's what we want. Here's a 2-pack of inner tubes that I got off Amazon. I'm gonna inflate this to make sure there's no holes in it. Seems pretty good to me. Start with the valve stem. Okay, now the tube is in, and I want to lock down this valve stem so it doesn't come out like that. And I'm just going to rotate the wheel to try and like smooth out any of the wrinkles. Kind of get that seated. All right, everything's in. Little WD-40. It's got about 12 pounds in it. That's seated. Cool. One thing that really helps is using a clamp on the bench. Helps break the bead and then reseat it as well. Just like that. I'm going to break this side. Use 2 if you need to. There we go. A little bit of rust in there. Valve stem. Now we gotta get the tire over the rim. This is the not fun part. I'm going to go ahead and clean that rust up because it might booger up the inner tube. Pretty good. There it went. Huh, good. Well, that's the first time I've ever done that. Cool. All right, I'm gonna get these back on the mower and give her a test drive. Well, that took less than an hour, and I saved about 50 bucks over having to buy new tires. So I'd say it was worth it.